channel. It's your girl Tina John.
We on wheels. We're mobile again, guys. Clapping our W's in chat. Y'all, shout out to my mom for getting her old car fixed and letting me borrow it for the time being. My poor car was totaled. So anyways, I am so happy and so grateful to be back mobile again, to be able to get up and go. We haven't named this car. I'm thinking about naming her. I don't know, but this car has been, she's been around for a minute. We got a lot of miles, all right? Got some work done to it. There's some lights that's still coming up, so I'm gonna get that looked at, I don't know, like someday next week. Also, I need to take this car to the car wash. Like, as you can see, there's half the seat cover. Like, I need to get her right. So right now I am on my way to my friend Foday's house for his birthday dinner. So happy birthday, Foday, if you're watching this. I feel like the last few vlogs have just been back to back birthdays. It's only been like 3, but still. Yeah, I did not do a get ready with me. I already know I be rushing. This year I really don't want to be as late as I usually am. Rushing already is annoying, but like, I am tired of being late. Like, every time, Christina, like every time you go somewhere, every time you have somewhere to be, like late. I'm doing a little better. Dinner actually starts at 7, and like the cocktail hour, I should say, is from like 5:30 to 6 or 6, something like that. I can't remember. My ETA is 5:53, an hour before dinner time, which is really good. And I have the menus. I designed the menu, so I have to be there early. Like, I cannot get there while everybody's sitting down, like, oh sorry, here's the menu, like I'm the damn server. No, so I need to get there on time so the menus and everything can be set. But I'm doing pretty good. 28 minutes? I'm only 28 minutes away. Okay. I'm so used to traffic being crazy that whenever I see like anything less than 30 minutes, I be shook. But I'm not complaining. We already stopped bringing a bottle of wine. I really did want to stop and like get an actual gift, but I'm gonna see Foday again, so I think I'm gonna do that later. That's another thing too. Like, there's just so many things that I want to start incorporating in my life. We can get into that a little bit later, but like, another thing, I don't want to go to people's houses empty-handed. Like, I don't want to do that. Even if I'm just stopping by, like if I'm going in the house and sitting down, taking my shoes off and sitting down, I don't want to come empty-handed. That's just something that I want to start doing. I don't necessarily care if people do that to me or not, whatever, but like, that's something I want to start doing. So yeah, obviously this is his birthday dinner. I had to come with something, but like, even if it wasn't, I just want to start doing that, like grabbing a bottle of wine, or, you know, actually like why? This is the thing, because I have not been behind the wheel in so long. Like, I don't know if it's the accident, I don't know if people are just getting worse and worse drivers by the day, but it is stressing me out.
Of course. Girl. So, yeah, the camera's the best thing. I think it's a safe chair. 26 and 2026.
26 and 26. See, I'm treating y'all good tonight. Today is not really about me. I was just born today. Today's about y'all. Because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this today. So, shout out to y'all. All 2026, we staying hot as fuck. Everything is, we're just gonna fire that shit up. You feel me? Cheers to that.
Cheers!
BBO. Bad bitch told man.
Oh, wait a minute. Literally, all fun.
Okay, and I'm gonna pour. That's really early.
Like, I'll never say that. What you want me to do? What the worms and everything? That was so rude.
Shout out Michaela for the cake, man.
For the cake.
We definitely wasn't gonna have cake.
I ain't gotta say too much. We already know what's going on. But it's my dog. That's it.
We still walked around, climbed, partied, talked, money, all of it. So it's up for life. I'm just thankful for the community, because that's really how we do it. Community and God. So.
Amen. Ever need someone to call on? Foday there. You ever need someone to have fun with you? Foday Foday gonna turn up with you.
For sure.
Anything you need, Foday is right there. But also, Foday is about his business.
Okay.
So not only that we can have fun together, we do talk about intellectual things. He does pick my mind, I pick his mind, and we gravitate on that. We done. But Foday's an amazing people person, and I do love that about him. He has connected all of us in the room. And amazing spirits, but this just attests to who he is as a person.
Yes.
And that's my nigga for life.
Now take you a shot, Foday.
At the birthday party or the birthday parties at the birthday party before that. We love Foday. We're your biggest fans.
Yeah, hold on, let me get my shit together. I gave y'all shout outs. I want to give y'all a shout out again. Thank y'all for being a part of my life. Thank you. Thank you for letting me be with you. Be a part of you. Learn with you. Have fun with you. Everything we have done so far. And may God bless us with many more. I just want to shout out God real quick.
Amen. Okay.
Shit, what that boy Drewski say? Keep God in your life. But
But nigga.
I don't know, y'all. I'm just fucking really.
Well, happy birthday, Foday. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna sing a song or
More
something.
life, more blessings, more love, more money.